Good morning, dear children. Today we shall be studying a new lesson. Today we shall start with a new chapter, and that is chapter number 9, Logo. Dear children, last year when you were in class 3, we have studied about logo. Do you remember something about it? Now, dear children, today we start with a new chapter, that is logo, in class 4. However, some concepts of logo you already know. So what new are we going to study this year? Well, we will study about some more commands in logo, and this time we can also do some calculations using logo. Last year you were only able to draw, but when you study logo this year, you will also be able to do some calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. You will also be able to print. Now you already know some basic concepts of logo. However, I will start off by revising those concepts once again with you. Now, over here, we have two boys, Rohan and Mohit. Now, Rohan and Mohit are telling something to each other. What are they doing? They are talking to each other, or you can say they are communicating with each other. Now, dear children, in order to talk to each other or in order to communicate with each other, we need something. What is that something? We need a language, right? Now, suppose if you don't have any language, so how are you going to talk? How are you going to explain yourself? Or how are you going to communicate basically with each other? Now you are able to understand what I'm saying. It is because you understand English and so do I, right? Now, what would have happened if I would have spoken in French and you did not understand French? So, would we be able to communicate? Would you be able to understand what I'm saying? You wouldn't, right? So, what do we understand over here? We understand that we need a language to communicate with each other. We need language to express ourselves. Also, the language must be known to both. Like, if I am going to speak in French and you don't understand French, so is the communication going to be successful? The communication will not be successful. So, it needs to be that we both understand the same language, and that is why I am explaining you this chapter in which language. I am explaining it in English. Why? Because English is a language, and in order to communicate with you, I require a language. And the most suitable language that you understand and even I can understand is English. So that is why we speak in English and we can communicate with each other. But what about the computer, dear children? You give the instructions to the computer, correct? But does the computer understand your language? The computer does not understand your language. Like, you give the instructions to the computer maybe in Hindi or in English, but the computer does not understand the language English or Hindi or not even French. So, what do we do in such a case, dear children? Your computer does not understand your language. So, will you be able to communicate with your computer? Will your computer be able to understand what you're trying to say? Or will your computer be able to understand your instructions? The computer will not be able to understand. So, then what do? We need to give instructions to the computer. So that is why we need to use the language. Which language? Not Hindi or English, but the computer language. Now the computer also has its own language. We use the computer language to give instructions to the computer. Just like I give you instructions in which language? In English language, because we both can understand that language. But your computer does not understand languages like Hindi or English, right? So we need to give it instructions, however, to make it work. So what we will use? We will use the computer language. So, the computer language is used for what? It is used to communicate with the computer. Why? Because the instructions that you need to give to the computer, your computer needs to understand that, and computer understands only computer language. Okay? So now let us see some of the computer languages that are available. There are various languages that are available, computer languages. However, I have just listed out a few important ones. We have Logo, which is a computer language. Then we have Java, which is another important computer language. Java is a computer language. Your entire Android phone is made up of Java. Then you have Python. Now Python is one of the latest languages that is there in the market, one of the most useful languages these days. And C. C is also a computer language. But we are going to study about Logo this year. So what is Logo? Logo is a simple language used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. Now we are going to study about Logo, and Logo is a very simple language, dear children. You already know about it. Last year you have already studied about Logo. So you already know that Logo is not very difficult. It is easy. And why do we use Logo? What can we do using Logo? So using Logo, we can draw different types of shapes. Do you remember last year we had drawn rectangle, square and some other shapes, right? And you can also do some calculations, arithmetic operations. Now arithmetic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called as arithmetic operations. All right, so we can also do calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using Logo. Now let us see how will we start Logo. Click the start button, then go to all programs, click on Microsoft Windows logo, and then your Microsoft logo screen appears. So this is your Microsoft logo screen.